For number 3, again, it's just like number 1. The first thing I notice is that I do have vertical angles. So maybe I can use that. And I'm given the side length and another side length, and they're each on either side of this angle. So I might be able to use side, angle, side. So that's what I'm going to try to do first. And again, I'm going to try and match up these side lengths. So we're comparing the small to the large if we start out with MV. MV is the larger number and TV is also the larger number of the two, so that works out. And what was that? So 14 divided by 49. It doesn't matter which way we do it. We did small to large in this one. The other one we did large to small. It doesn't matter as long as we keep that consistent. So 14 divided by 49. That's 0.285 something something something. And then what else could we compare in that same order? So we can compare VU and LV. What do I write here? Not the numbers, the names of the sides. What goes on the top? LV. VU. Yeah. Because we started on this one with a small triangle. So on this one we have to start with a small triangle. So 8 divided by 28. 8 divided by 28. Is this proportional? Yes, it is. 0.285 something something something. So we have the side, an angle in between, and another side. The sides are proportional to the sides here. So this is congruent, or not congruent, similar. Let's say VUT, that would be triangle VLM, by side, angle, side similarity. That too. So for number 4, what do we have? I'm just gonna, well, actually, what's number 4? Yes or no? Yes, by what? No, what? Say it again? No. So by angle, because we have 2 angles here, 2 angles there, and they're congruent. And then JKL, that would be TUV. So that's what we have here. Number 5. This one, if you look at it, we have angles, but it doesn't say they're congruent. Those are different markings. We don't have any angles that are congruent except for 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That we have one angle congruent to one other angle in the triangles, but that's it. So we can't say anything. This one, we don't know if they're similar. We can't tell. There's not enough information. Actually, we know that the angles are not congruent, so we know that they're not similar. So this one's no. On this last one, I think it's important to have 2 separate pictures. One with a big triangle, K, L, M, and then one with the smaller triangle that's on the inside. That would be KBC. KBC. And then I can write down all of these side lengths. This would be 88, 135. I get just by adding those together. Is that 135? 132? Right? Yeah. And then, do I have this? I do not have this one, but that's fine. 16 and 25. And I can compare. So KL and KB. KL compared to KB. And what is that? 88 divided by 16. And that gives me 5.5. And then KM, again in the same order, Making sure, since I wrote the big one on top, small one on bottom, I do the same here. So big one and then KC. That would be 132 divided by 25. Is that 5.28? Yep. So these are not, so we can say no on this one. What else do you notice is congruent between these two? Do we see anything? Based on the original picture, I separated them. Angle K is congruent to itself. But that doesn't really matter just because those sides weren't proportional anyway. And we compared them properly, so that's it for that.